Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, if you are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So, go to the comment section, click on that link, subscribe to the channel. Now, let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on our GBP JPY. Now, this is the trend on our GBP JPY. This is um this is our full picture. This is the full picture on GBP JPY. GBP JPY is literally trending to the upside, right? We are definitely on a bullish move. This is our high. Here comes our higher low. It eventually pushed up and gave us higher high, and here comes the, which is an pullback phase, right? Then here comes the impulsive move, pullback phase. Market has eventually what given us an impulsive move. So this impulsive move has now taken out this previous low higher high, thereby forming a new higher high. So this new higher high has taken out this previous higher high. So you should be very, very careful taking in a buy again, as markets will most likely going to give us a pullback. So a pullback is what we should be anticipating for and expecting next on GBPJPY. So have it in mind that GBPJPY is most likely going to give us a bullish move, thereby pushing up and giving us a new bullish move. Have that in mind that GBPJPY will most likely going to do that. But if you're a day trader, it will be best you wait for your pullback. That is the thing. It will be best you wait for your pullback. Once you get your pullback, market eventually plays your pullback, you can eventually go ahead and take your buy again. So we're still anticipating for a bullish move on GBPJPY. But one thing is that we would want a pullback to play out first before we can now start looking for a buy on GBPJPY. Now subscribe to this channel, like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram so you don't miss out on any updates.